Ready to ditch the inventory headaches and jump into e-commerce without breaking the bank? This video will show you exactly how to launch a thriving dropshipping business using Big Cartel. Even if you're a complete beginner first, head over to BigCartel.com and sign up for a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free option if you're just testing the waters. Once you're in your dashboard, the first step is to populate your store with products. This is where the magic of dropshipping happens. We're going to skip the inventory hassle and connect with a dropshipping supplier. Before you import products, take the time to brainstorm your niche and find a supplier that aligns with your brand. Use sites like AliExpress, Salehu, or Spocket to research products and suppliers. Look for reliable suppliers with good reviews and fast shipping times. Now import your chosen products into your Big Cartel store using the supplier's provided information and images. Ensure you write compelling product descriptions, set competitive prices, and upload high-quality images. Next, let's set up payments and shipping. Integrate with PayPal or Stripe to process payments securely, and configure your shipping settings to reflect the supplier's shipping costs and times. Remember to factor in your profit margin. When a customer places an order, simply forward the order details to your dropshipping supplier. They'll handle the fulfillment and shipping directly to your customer. Track your sales and analytics within Big Cartel to monitor performance and optimize your product offerings. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. And finally, don't forget to market your store. Use social media, email marketing, and targeted ads to drive traffic to your Big Cartel store. That's it. You're now ready to start your own dropshipping business with Big Cartel. Be patient, persistent, and you'll be well on your way to e-commerce success. Good luck.